Meaning of gangster.
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 Gangster. The term gangster typically refers to a member of a criminal organization or gang. These individuals engage in illegal activities such as extortion, drug trafficking, and racketeering. Gangsters often use violence and intimidation to maintain their power and control over an area or territory. They may also be involved in white-collar crimes such as money laundering and fraud. The portrayal of gangsters in popular culture has romanticized their lifestyle, but the harsh reality is that their actions can have devastating consequences for both themselves and society as a whole.